Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super handy tutorial for all of you Figma users, whether you're just getting started or you've been designing for a while. We're going to take a closer look at how to strike through text in Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add that classic strike-through effect to your text, perfect for showing edits, marking things as done, or just adding a bit of flair to your next project. Let's not waste any time, let's jump straight into Figma and get started. So first things first, go ahead and open up Figma. You can use either the web version or the desktop app. It really doesn't matter, everything I show you today works in both. If you're opening up an existing project, that's great, but you can also just create a brand new file to practice along with me. Now, once you're in your Figma workspace, it's time to add some text. Click on the text tool. If you're not sure where to find it, look for the little T icon in the top toolbar, or simply press the letter T on your keyboard for a quick shortcut. Click anywhere on your canvas and you'll see a blinking cursor ready for you to type. Just go ahead and type out whatever word or sentence you want to strike through. This could be something like task completed, a price you want to mark down, or even a list item you want to cross off. Okay, now look at what you've typed out. You'll need to select the text you want to strike through. Simply click and drag your cursor over the specific section of the text, or just click on the text box itself if you want to apply the effect to all of it. Take your time here, sometimes people accidentally miss a letter or two, so make sure the entire text you want is highlighted. With your text selected, turn your attention up to the Type Settings panel. This is usually located right at the top of your Figma interface. If you're not seeing it, don't panic, just make sure your text is still selected and the panel should appear. Look for a little S icon with a line right through the middle, that's your strike-through button. Simply click on it, and boom, that's it. Your selected text is now strike-through instantly. It happens right before your eyes, and you'll see a horizontal line cutting right through the middle of your text. It's a small thing, but it's incredibly useful. Say, for example, you're working on a to-do list design and want to show which tasks are finished, just strike through them. Or if you're showing before and after prices on a product mock-up, you can strike through the old price with a couple of clicks. This way, your designs become much clearer and your team instantly understands what's changed. Simple, right? Sometimes I get asked, hey, what if the strike-through button is grayed out or not working? Don't worry, usually that just means you haven't selected any text. Double-check that your text layer is actually highlighted. If the button's still missing, try restarting Figma or refreshing your browser. And there you have it. Strike-through in Figma is genuinely one of those simple but powerful formatting tricks that can make your workflow cleaner and your designs more communicative. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave any questions or tips in the comment section. I always love hearing from you, and of course, hit subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.